Hi, hello everyone. Let us start this video with a small quotes. Science is a way of thinking, much more than it is a body of knowledge. Science is a systematic knowledge based on facts, observations, and experimentation on the basis of field it occupies. In other words, science is one of the most important channel of knowledge. It has a specific role as well as a variety of functions for the benefit of our society. It creates new knowledge, improving education and increasing the quality of our life. It also responds to societal needs and global challenges. So, it is very important to know about various branches of science. I hope in this video will help you to know about some of the useful branches of science and its importance. Let us see about the following scientific branches and its importance. Apiculture, it is a process of cultivation of bees on a commercial scale for the production of honey. What is the economic importance of apiculture? It provides food to 1/3 population of world, and it also promote economic development. It is mainly involved with the collection of valuable product like honey, wax, royal jelly, etc. The highest honey producing state in India is Punjab, with around 35,000 beekeepers delivering around 15,000 metric tons of honey. Pisciculture, it is a process of breeding, rearing and transplantation of fish by artificial means is called pisciculture. The economic importance of pisciculture are: it helps to utilize the vast areas like paddy field for culturing of fishes. It also serving as food for human. They possess a great economic, nutritional, medicinal, industrial, aesthetic and religious values, as well as providing employment for millions of people in the world. Sericulture, it is also called a silk farming. It is a process of rearing of silk fiber. It starts by raising silkworm and then processing silk fiber into silk. Raw silk, it is used in the manufacture of woven material, knitted fabrics, for the preparations of garment, parachute, fishing line, sieve for floor mills, insulation coil, etc. The importance of sericulture is it provides gainful employment opportunity, and it also promote economic development and improve the quality of life to the people in rural areas. It also play an important role in anti-poverty program. China is the largest producer and supplier of silk in the world, while India is the second largest producer of silk. Floriculture, it deals with growing and marketing flowers and ornamental plants, as well as with flower arrangement. The importance of floriculture is, in present days, it is widely used for making dry flower, extractions of natural color and essential oil. There is a lot of demand for good quality flower seed and ornamental plant material. So, it is considered to be an important commercial crop. Flowers are being used as raw material in the manufacture of essence, perfume, medicines, etc. Olericulture is the science of vegetable growing, dealing with the culture of non-woody plants for food. It is the production of plants for use of the edible parts. Why is it important to grow vegetables? Vegetable production provides a promising economic opportunity for reducing rural poverty and unemployment in developing countries. Vegetables are mankind's most affordable source of vitamins and minerals. It is needed for good health. Thank you all.